my creative artistic friends, and welcome to yet another watercolor tutorial video where we are going to paint a really cute and fun cat. And this is a different one than what we've done before, but it's a very super duper easy one, and you can mix and match and try out different styles with this as well. So it's going to be a quick one, and we are going to have a lot of fun with this. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sandra Hermans and I'm a watercolor artist and illustrator from the Netherlands, and I love to create content to teach you how to draw, how to paint, grow confident with your painting skills, and you can come here for inspiration as well. So if you like my content, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. So this way you get a message every time I create new content and you are sure not to miss anything. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up so that I know what content I need to create more of. And if you can't wait to get started on this really cute kitty, then please grab your paint supplies and we can get started. Let's go! And now it's time to start with the sketching of the cat. Well, this one is a very simple, and this example is extremely silly. You only have to draw like half a circle, and then you paint in the eyes and the nose, and you draw on the ears. So you can pause the video there and look at my example, or you can follow along with the way I'm drawing it here. But this really is like the most easy and basic cat, well, it's a cat face that you can draw and paint. So use a kneading eraser to lift off those excess pencil lines, and we can already start with the painting. So for this one, I'm using orange paint, and again, as usual, we are just painting within those pencil lines. Now, with this cat face, I have drawn some bigger eyes and a bigger nose than I would usually do when I'm drawing my cats. So I'm painting around them here. And I am dropping in some darker orange, so I'm picking another color and I'm just dropping it in while the paint is still wet. So I'm just letting the paint blend in itself. Dropping in another orange color, and now while this has dried, I am painting in those ears, and I see that I'm using a lot of water. So with your brush, your clean brush, you can lift off that water. And now moving on to the eyes. So for this, I'm using a light blue watercolor wash, and I don't want it to be too dark. So while at first I had too much pigment there, I lifted it off with my brush again. And with the tip of my brush, I'm just going around the edges for some extra shading. And now it's time to let it dry and add some more details. So with indigo blue, paint in the nose and the mouth of the cat, and also paint in those pupils. Now I think they're very dark, so again I'm just cleaning my brush, wetting it just a bit, and I'm then brushing out the dark center of the eyes. And now with that same round brush and some highly pigmented orange paint, so I'm just putting more paint and less water on my brush, I am adding those details, those stripes and around the ears, and basically everywhere where I like to put some details, put some stripes on that cat, just being a bit playful here. And for this cat goes as well, you don't need to add those stripes. Maybe you have your own cat and you like to make this one similar to yours. You can add dots, or well, just be creative. You can do anything that you like, but of course you can also follow along with me here. Now what I like to do with my teeny tiny brush and some indigo blue, with the tip of the brush go around the edges of the eyes for some extra detail. And now it's time to let this dry and do some finishing touches. And what I firstly want to do is put some white gouache on the eyes and on the nose. And then with a black marker, I'm drawing the whiskers on the cat. 3 on each side of the cat's face, and then add some dots as well. And now another thing that I always love to do is use some pencil and create some texture on top of my watercolor illustration. Now this is completely optional. You can keep this a watercolor painting, but if you like to, just grab your pencil and then gently go across your cat. And I like to go around the edges first and make it darker there to add some more shading. I always love to pick a color that already matches the color that I'm working with. And as I want this to be an orange cat, I really love to gently go around the entire face of the cat. This really gives this cat a nice orange glow. I like to do some highlights as well. For this, I'm using pink pencil, and I especially love to use pencil on top of darker paint layers. This really gives a very cool effect. Now what I've forgotten to do with this one is add something in the background. So with a nice light blue, I am painting just a few flowers. And when your art print is finished, don't forget to sign it.
So we're done. We finished this really cute and easy kitty cat. So this is one way to paint this one, and you can create more and more in different colors, different styles. You can experiment with, like, don't give the cat stripes but give them spots, or give them more furry hair, bigger ears, smaller eyes. You can really try out a lot of things. Also with the background, you can do more with that if you'd like to. So this is a very easy and fun way to draw a cat, and I hope that you had fun. I would love to see what you create, and especially when you're going to experiment with this, I also love to see that as well. So please share it on your socials, tag me at Sandra Art Studio, and use the hashtag #CreateWithSandras. This way I see what you create, but other people see what you create as well, and we are inspiring them to join us in creating these really cute and pretty art pieces. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next one.